If you're a landlord and your property made a loss this year, you might be wondering what that actually means for tax. A lot of people assume there's nothing to report, but that's not how HMRC sees it. In this video, I'll explain what a rental loss really is, how HMRC calculates it, when you can carry losses forward, when losses can't be used, and the biggest mistakes landlords make. This applies whether you own one rental, several, or properties overseas. Let's get straight into it. Hello, welcome to today's video. My name is Dora. I'm a chartered certified accountant and fellow tax advisor here at Grace Certified Accountants. Now, before we continue, can I ask you to please subscribe to our channel for more property tax tips and advice? And if you know of other people that you think will find this information useful, please share with them. Thank you so much. Now let's dive in. So, what is a rental loss? A rental loss happens when the rental expenses are higher than the rental income. Allowable expenses include repairs, service charges, insurance, agent fees, travel, legal fees for eviction, RDE replacements, utilities you pay as the landlord. Now here's an important note. Mortgage interest does not create or increase a rental loss. It used to years ago, but now it's restricted to a 20% tax credit instead. So your tax loss is always calculated before mortgage interest. Let's look at how losses are calculated. The loss is based only on allowable revenue expenses. This means capital improvements don't create a loss, first-time furnishing doesn't create a loss, your own labor doesn't create a loss, and personal use periods don't create a loss. A lot of landlords think the loss equals money left in the bank account. But that's not how HMRC calculates it. Now let's see what you can do with rental losses. Rental losses can be extremely valuable. You can carry them forward indefinitely. There's no expiry date. Offset them against future rental profits from any property in your rental business. Use them automatically as long as the loss is correctly reported in the year it arose. But you cannot use rental losses against salary, dividends, self-employment, or capital gains. They only offset future rental profits. Now let's look at when losses cannot be used. HMRC will block rental losses if the loss was never reported, you never registered for self-assessment, the loss relates to capital improvements, the property was used personally, the rental business has ended. Now, if you stop being a landlord entirely, your unused losses disappear. Now, let's look at overseas landlords. If you rent out a property abroad, you calculate losses using UK tax rules, not the foreign country's rules. Losses can still be carried forward. Foreign tax paid does not increase a loss. The loss rules work exactly the same as UK properties. Let's look at some examples. Example 1. Year 1, rental loss, 1,500. Year 2, rental profit, 3,000. Taxable profit, 1,500. That is 3,000 from year 2 less 1,500 from year 1. Example 2. Income 8,000. Allowable costs, 8,200. Mortgage interest, 5,000. Tax loss is £200. Mortgage interest becomes a separate 20% credit. Example 3, selling your final rental property. Any unused losses are lost. Now, if you have stayed with me till now and you're finding this information useful, I'm glad. Can I remind you to please subscribe to our channel for more property tax tips and advice? And if you know of other people that you think will find this information useful, please share with them. Thank you so much. Now let's continue. Now let me show you the common mistakes. I see these often. Thinking mortgage interest creates a loss. Not filing a tax return because there's nothing to pay. Losing several years of unreported losses. Confusing repairs with improvements. Claiming losses for periods the landlord lived in the property. And believing overseas rules differ. Most of these are preventable. Losses are a valuable relief, but only if you report them correctly at the right time. Once lost, you can't get them back. If you'd like help reviewing your rental position or checking whether your rental losses have been calculated properly, you can contact me using the link below. I'm Dora from Great Certified Accountants. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more property tax tips and advice. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon.